So hello guys, welcome to Writing Pause and आज जो चैनल समझते हैं यानी Vega को beatxp. So we are going to do the unboxing of this watch. मैंने ऐसे 3 दिन अगाडि I think 3 या 4 दिन अगाडि मगाएको थिएँ and finally it's here. Packaging is really nicely done by Amazon. Packaging is all packed and sealed properly. जुन चाहिँ मैले सोचेको थिएँ त्यस्तो पाराले भएन मतलब हुन्छ नि वेयर एन्ड टियर गरेर आएको या त इन अ भेरी डिस्टर्टेड पोजिसन इट इज इन अ भेरी गुड कन्डिसन प्याकेजिङ एन्ड अल द्याट सो लेट मी गेट दिस कहाँबाट हुन्छ गाडी नै छैन So the packaging is open. We have this box out here. So side में राख्छु हैन. Here is another packaging from Amazon. So this is basically for the safety and it's written free fast delivery. So yeah, delivery charges were not there included I think. So यो seal let us break the seal, right? I'm very much impressed to be honest by the packaging of Amazon. It's very nicely done and they have taken care of the product very nicely and this is the final product that I have. This is Vega X beatx. What is it? beatxp. beatxp का Vega X. This is the watch I brought from Amazon. It cost me 2,699. So that was a very good price range. It is super AMOLED display with Bluetooth calling features and there is voice assistance as well. Voice assistance पनि छ यो भित्र. There are so many watch faces and यसको side को dialer also works for browsing and यसको तलको button is basically back button. So let us see what it holds inside. We have taken off the your plastic cover and let us see what is inside. Box खोल्छ कताबाट यसलाई. So here is finally the final product of beatxp Vega X. It's in a very nicely put on. Number one, we have the watch out here. इसको side में रखती हूँ and what else? There is a wireless charger which is very nice. The magnetic one. This is wireless charger and there are some nothing is there. Yeah, maybe there are booklets. Vega X Pico stickers which you can use in some other places, right? Basically warranty card is there and there is a QR code. This is the coupon QR code and warranty card is there. So skipping all this, let's come to the charger. It comes with a charger, very nicely done wireless charger, right? And secondly, let us the some other side रखें ना watch को watch को the first hand look or the feel in my hand, it's very premium. The straps are good I think. Yeah, straps are very good and weight पनि त्यति धेरै छैन क्या. It is very much not very light but also not very heavy. You can put it on. जुन चाहिँ मेरो यो Vega के हो previous वाला beatx. So it's similar to this. weight पनि धेरै छैन and taking off the sticker. Yeah, the display is pretty good and pretty big. This is the watch face. And there are altogether 1, 2, 3, 4 watch faces. And additional you can add other things. And one thing I got to know about this watch is like माथि स्क्रल डाउन गर्दै यही सेटिङ्सहरु छ यस्तो and other than that तल स्क्रल गर्दाखेरि notices लेफ्टमा यो राइटमा यो अनि चाहिँ there are all together more than 200 sports modes I think. more than कति sports mode हो and more than 100 sports modes हैन. You can access the sports mode by tapping this button, right? And this also works nicely, very nicely. The scrolling is very nice. यो सबै छ and यसको मेन्यु चाहिँ कसरी एक्सेस गर्छ. This is the menu. Number 1 यहाँनिर रहेछ तपाईको खै त. This button also works really nicely, है. भनिदिउँ न फिचर्सहरू भन्दाखेरि त्यहाँनिर मेन्यूमा के रहेछ भन्दाखेरि देयर इज क्यालेन्डर एक्टिभिटी ट्र्याकर कल मेन्यू छ स्पोर्ट्स मोड रेकर्ड इज देयर डायलर विच अरू घडीहरूमा पनि हुन्छ कलिङ वाचेसमा हार्ट रेट मोनिटर इज देयर स्ट्रेस मोनिटर इज देयर ब्लड प्रेसर SpO2 ब्रिदिङ एक्सर्साइज नोटिस द मोस्ट इन्ट्रेस्टिङ थिङ यो घडीको बारेमा चाहिँ हेर्दाखेरि देयर इज वर्ल्ड क्लक है नम्बर 1 इज वर्ल्ड क्लक छ त्यसकोलाई पेयर गर्नुहुन्छ भोइस एसिस्टेन्स इज देयर होइन and always on display this comes with always on display and अरू चाहिँ क्यालेन्डर पनि राम्रो छ क्यालेन्डर comes with a full month calendar है full monthको क्यालेन्डर हेर्न सक्छ and this is also very interesting call menu record dialer and contact heart rate अरू के भन्दाखेरि सेटिङ्समा गएर menu style you can go to menu style there are different menu style like this there is cellular menu style right there is cellular menu style which you can zoom in and zoom out right so I think overall the handling and the scrolling of the watch and the interface is quite very smooth you can go anywhere and there is cellular menu style other one is यसको मेन चाहिँ मलाई मन परेको मेन्यू स्टाइल नै हो rolling is also there rolling menu style right there say kaleidoscope is there kaleidoscope is also there this thing is very premium watch like ekdam premium feeling so on the watch face you can change by long tapping to the button and there are multiple watch faces and you can also add on your own picture on the watch by simply tapping to the button and going to the watch को के भन्छ एपमा गएर देन यु क्यान चेन्ज द वाच फेस सो हातमा लाउँदाखेरि चाहिँ यस्तो देख्दो रहेछ हेर्नु गाइज हो यस्तो देख्दैछ एन्ड यो बटनले चाहिँ नजिकमा जाउँ न हातमा यो बटनले चाहिँ यु क्यान चेन्ज द वाच फेस यो बटनले चाहिँ यसो स्क्रलिङ गर्दा चाहिँ वाच फेस चेन्ज हुँदैछ दिस वान अल्सो लुक्स भेरी नाइस एक्टिभिटी हार्ट रेट चलिरहेको दिस अल्सो लुक्स भेरी प्रिमियम भेरी नाइस ओभरअल इट्स अ भेरी नाइस वाच है मेरो हिसाबमा चाहिँ लेट मी सी आफ्टर युजिङ फर अ विक कस्तो हुन्छ ब्याट्री त अहिले फुल देखाइरहेको छ सो द्याट्स इट आई होप इट लुक्स नाइस रिभ्यू अबाउट beatxp overall premium quality and looks very nice body is I think it's metallic body and it's very durable I think and the straps are also strap quality पनि एकदमै राम्रो छ so thank you guys for watching in the next part I will come with यसको performance over a week and battery performance and all that so thank you so much for watching this is Riding Pause and